Okay guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can drive a lot of free traffic to as many Clickbank products as you want on this video today, and it's all 100% free. It should be able to be done from anywhere in the world. Okay, all right, well, let's go ahead and get started into today's video here. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, well, go ahead and reach down there right now below, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to crack on that bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos, what you do fairly regularly here on this channel. Okay, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this. First thing I want to say here at the outset is these two sites that I'm going to show you where you can drive a lot of traffic to Clickbank products is going to take two things from you. One is going to be creativity in how you post your ads, and number two is going to take consistency. You're not going to be able to do this with just one Clickbank post or one Clickbank ad product and get any results. It's going to take a lot of posting to do this, okay, so that you can get more opportunity to make money. So it's a volume thing. The more you post, the more opportunity you will have to make money. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this site right here. Of course, it's clickbank.com. You see it up there in the address bar. And if you don't have an account at Clickbank, it's free to create one. Just come over to clickbank.com, click on create account, and just walk through the little form and create your account and check your email for the confirmation email that they will send you. All right, so once you get logged into Clickbank, after that, you want to come up here and click on Marketplace right here. And when you click on Marketplace, it brings you over here to this page, the Marketplace page, and you can see all kinds of categories here. Now, you can do this with this particular method. You can do this with as many Clickbank products as you want. In fact, it's recommended to do a whole bunch of them, okay? So, and it doesn't matter what niche you pick in. The three major ones are relationships, health and wellness, and making money online, right? And there's a lot of subcategories underneath those. Now, so for example, if I just click on the little search button right here without typing anything in, it brings up the most popular Clickbank products right now on Clickbank. And you see it's searched by popularity. So you can pick any one of these products that you want. In fact, you're going to want to click and choose a lot of different Clickbank products for this particular method. It's easy enough. When you pick a product, just click on promote, and it will open this up, and then you want to make sure that your account nickname is in here. That's the most important part. If you want to put a tracking ID, you can do that. That's optional. Okay, in fact, it's probably recommended to do that for this particular method that I'm showing you here today. Now, once you get your hop link, just click on that, and it will generate your hop link right here, the old long ugly Clickbank link here. Now, one of these sites, you can use this long Clickbank link, and the other one, you can use a bit.ly, or you can use bit.ly on both. It's up to you on that. So you get your hop link, and then after you do that, you want to come over here to this site right here. This is the first site of two that I'm going to show you. And that site is called claz.org. You see it up here in the address bar. It's CLAZ.org. Now, why would we use this site? Well, the reason why, if I bring up my similar web here, this particular site, and I scroll up here, this particular site gets headed toward 2 million visitors per month. That's a lot of traffic. That's a real high amount of traffic to this site. This is a classified site here, and you can see that there's all kinds of categories right here that people are posting in here. Now, so what you want to do is click on classifieds right here, this tab right here, and when you click on that, it brings you over, and for example, let's just see if people are selling Clickbank products on this particular site. So if I click into the search box up here, as you see, and type in Clickbank, right, and then just do a search, you see it brings us over here, and you see that there are lots of people selling Clickbank products on this site. You can see the long Clickbank link. This site, you can use the whole ugly long Clickbank link if you want, or you can use your bit.ly, go to bit.ly.com and shorten it up and so on and so forth. But you see that most people are just using the Clickbank link right here. A lot of people are posting on this site. Now, you may say, well, Kevin, this looks kind of saturated to me because a lot of people are posting on here. Well, I beg to differ with you because I just showed you the amount of traffic that this site gets. So obviously it's not saturated on this site at all with people selling Clickbank products. And what this tells me is the other way around is that obviously people are making money with their Clickbank products on this site because they are using it to post Clickbank products. All of these are Clickbank products here. And I mean, you can just type in any particular niche that you want. You can type in like make money online. And then you can see that it comes up here with all kinds of different products. People are offering make money online products. Some of these are Clickbank, some of them are not. All right, and it doesn't matter. You can post what you want from Clickbank on here. It's all 100% free to post on this site. Now, you can even check in the relationship niche. If we typed in relationship or relationships, and press enter, you can see that people are selling products to do with relationships on here too. And some, again, some will be Clickbank and some are not. So it doesn't matter. You can use any of these niches to post your Clickbank products on this site. Now, what you want to do is if you don't, you're going to need an account here. It's free to sign up. Click on login right here. It'll bring you over here. This is for the login here, but you can also, after you get signed up, you can log in with Facebook or Google account here, okay? Right down here, you see it says create an account. So when you click on that, it brings you here, and all you need is your email address, and then check this little I'm not a gadget box right here, and then click create an account. And when you get the account created, you might want to check for an email confirmation. You can come back and probably log in at that point with, or actually you can probably log in with Google and Facebook right now using that as creating your account too. All right, and then you can get logged in here, and they'll ask you, probably send you a password. And if you do the local, they'll send you a password probably in your confirmation email that you want to check out. All right, and then once you get that signed in, and you want to come back and you want to click on post an ad, and you can post an ad here and add pictures and so on and so forth. And they do have a paid right here, a premium, if you want to do that, and so on and so forth, but you don't need it. You can post a free ad on this site. Now, what you want to do is you want to look at some of these other people's ads, like for example, how they're, if we're using relationship as an example, which you can find the relationship products on Clickbank. Just type relationships here and you'll see all kinds of them. Okay, and then, but what you want to do is read some of these other ads, and just read how and look at some of these other ads and look at how they are posting them and how they're doing theirs, and then create your ad right as something similar that catches your attention on how to create your ad here. Now, when you create your ad, like say for example, if this is a weight loss product right here, you want to come to the affiliates page on each product so that you can get some information to use when you post your ad on class.org, and then you can put your Clickbank link in there, and then you'll have that. Now, another way to do that is you can use a landing page. In fact, it's recommended to use a landing page, and to do that because, well, if you want to, why would you use a landing page? Well, because you may want to collect email addresses. If you have an autoresponder, you can collect people's email addresses before they get sent to the product on Clickbank, and then you can just simply use their email address to retarget them again with other Clickbank products. Okay, so that's a good idea. You can come to Wix.com right here. You see it up here, and you can create a free landing page right here. It doesn't cost anything to do it. You can create a free landing page. If you didn't want to create one off of Wix, you can, and you just wanted to use a generic landing page, well, you guys, you can come over here to pastelink.net. You see it up here in the address bar too. And it's just, there's no sign up here needed or anything. You just click on Start Now, and it opens up an editor, and you create your landing page here. So you'd put your bit.ly link or your Clickbank link in here, and leads over to your product, and then you would put the ad. When you post your ads, you're going to put your link to your landing page first. And you're not going to, you're not going to be able to collect an email address with this, but you, on Wix, you can create a better looking landing page for free and include a opt-in form where you can collect email addresses right off of Wix here and attach it to your autoresponders such as Aweber, GetResponse, or there's many others. And there should be a link down there in my description, guys. If you want to check out GetResponse, you can come over and check that out. I think it's like $14 a month for up to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, it's still pretty cheap. But if you want to just use a free method to create a landing page, you can use Pastelink. Okay, so the first site that you want to post your free ad on is class.org. The next site that's high traffic site that you want to use is right here. It's called Hoobly Classified. You see right here, Hoobly.com, right up here in the address bar right there. And you can come over here. You will need to sign up here and just click on register. And you can register with your email address right here, create a local account on this site. And then once you get logged in, then all you would do is just click on post an ad, and you can see that other people are posting ads here on this site. And why, again, here, why would we use Hoobly? Well, if I bring out my similar web here, you can see that Hoobly gets about 2.3 million visitors per month. Do you see that? 2.3. That's a lot of traffic. All right, and then for example, we could say, people want to like make money online, right? Let's just put that in there for example. And then I press enter, and it comes up with all of these. You can see right here, in fact, this particular product right here is a Clickbank product, and you can see that they've got their bit.ly link right here on this particular product. So if I click on that, that should open up and take us over here to this particular landing page right here, and you can see it's the 12-minute affiliate.com product right here. And if I click on that and go over to it, you can see that it brings us over, and this is a Clickbank product right here. You can see it right up here at the top. This is Clickbank product right here. So guys, you can advertise your things on Hoobly.com. You just want to do a post ad in here and do the same thing that you did over here on Class. And you want to do as many Clickbank products. Don't just post one Clickbank product and then come back and tell me, well, Kevin, this didn't work. No, post 20 Clickbank products. Start there. Start with 20, maybe even 30. 30 Clickbank products. Don't do the same one twice. That'll get you banned. Do different products. You can pick, once you post an ad for one Clickbank product, come back to Clickbank and choose the next one and create a ad for it. And then once you get that done, choose another one. Come back until you get about 20, maybe even 30 Clickbank products. I mean, there's thousands of products here on Clickbank, and it doesn't matter what you can use any one of these categories to do this in. But put about 20 products on each one of these sites to get started with. And then if you're using a landing page, which is probably recommended because you'll be able to collect email addresses, and you'll know how many people are clicking on your link because you'll be collecting email addresses along the way. But if you don't want to do that, you can send them straight to, on your ads, you can send them straight to the Clickbank product. Okay, so just make sure that you post a lot of different Clickbank products. Give yourself a wide margin of opportunity with these two sites to drive a lot of traffic for free to your Clickbank products. It's all 100% free to do. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, if you have any questions or comments about this, leave them down there in the description or in the comment section below there. And if you like this video and you see the power of this, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel. Also, if you want to have your own affiliate marketing business, then I recommend that you click down there at the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and see my #1 way to make money online and see if that's a good fit for you too. And you'll be able to make high ticket sales. That's high ticket marketing. Alrighty. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.